Subscribe to Let's Share Solutions and press the bell icon for daily study tips, career advice and personality development videos with me, Ashwani Thakur. And today we will talk about a very interesting topic. One of our channel subscriber asked this question that, Sir, what to do if I have to watch lectures from YouTube and get distracted after that? I'll share a very simple thing with you. So please listen carefully. If you watch this video and completely understand my message, you will never waste your time on YouTube. Bro, what are you saying? If you teach them how to stop wasting their time, they will stop watching your videos also. Listen, I am first a coach and then a YouTuber. So my goal is to help them save time and do more. Because that's when they succeed. And if they succeed, I succeed. Thank you. And please don't disturb me when I make videos. Sorry for that. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to the topic. I want you to imagine YouTube as a shopping mall. So let's imagine that YouTube is nothing but a shopping mall. And you have $24,000 to spend. Now you enter the shopping mall and you see a lot of shops and they sell a lot of stuff. A shop is selling t-shirt, there's a shop selling jeans, there's a shop where you can buy things to eat. So all sort of shops are there. So you start spending. You start buying the coat, buying the t-shirt, buying the jeans, and you bought two pair of shoes, and then you like one more shoes. Okay, I should buy this also, and you start spending. And before you know it, you've spent $20,000, and now you're left with only $4,000. Now, there are a lot of other things that you have to do. Maybe you have to buy something which is a necessity, not a luxury. Maybe you have to get a camera repaired or something else, and you need $10,000 for that. And you've already spent $20,000. You only have $4,000 remaining. So what have you done? You've actually spent more than you were supposed to. That means you have a habit of overspending. Now similarly, when you open YouTube, it's like entering a shopping mall where you have so many channels. They're asking you to buy your time. What are you giving to these shops? You're giving your time. That's how YouTubers, that's how we make money. You spend time on a video and that's how we make money. So shops are not wrong. In a shopping mall, there are shops. It's not a wrong thing. You doing shopping is also not a wrong thing. Imagine you go to a shopping mall and there are no shops. There is no product to buy. That's not a good thing. So there should be shops. There should be products. You should buy them. The only thing is, you know your budget. And according to your budget, you buy the stuff. But this does not happen on YouTube because you don't know what are you spending here. You're spending your time. And that's more precious than money. Now you decide how much you will spend in this mall. Now I never give theoretical lectures. I always give you some strategies to follow. So here are a few strategies you can follow. First thing, decide how much you can spend in a day. Just like you decide how much you will spend while shopping. In the same way, decide how much you're going to spend in a day. Can you afford to spend 2 hours on YouTube? Can you afford 1 hour, half an hour? Or maybe you can spend 5 hours because of your work or your age or the work that you do. So decide what's the ideal time that you can spend on YouTube. And then there are these apps. You can get apps, free apps on your computer or on the phone, which will tell you how much time you're spending on YouTube. Also on YouTube, there's a feature. In the YouTube app, there's a feature called Remind Me to Take a Break. Now this feature, what it does, it buzzes you. You can set it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, it will stop the video automatically. It will tell you that it's time to stop. So you can use any of these features and then only do YouTube for that particular time. You only spend that much time. And the next thing is that when you watch a video and your time is up, you know that you cannot spend more time now on YouTube, and you see a video that's tempting you to click, and there is a video that you find interesting. So what you can do is, instead of straight away going to that video, add that video in your watch later list. Or you can create a file in your computer, a text file, where you write all the videos that you will be watching next time. So instead of watching it straight away, plan it for future. Bro, you should watch this video. It's a funny video. I'm sharing it with you. Watch it right now. You're shooting the video. Now imagine a friend comes to you and he says, "Hey, I just bought this cool thing and you also should buy it. Spend your money and buy this thing." Now, you won't buy it immediately, and even if you like it, you will not buy it immediately. You'll wait for some time. You'll buy it at your own pace, your own time, whenever you can buy. And when you know that thing is not going out, you can buy it whenever you want. So you wait and then you buy, because you know how to spend your money. So why are you wasting your time? You should save your time also, because time is precious than money. The reason why we waste our time is because we think, oh, it's just a 5-minute video. Oh, this is so interesting. And then before we know it, we waste hours watching videos after videos after videos. So that is, bro, this one is amazing. You should watch this. This is the best video. What? Stop it, man. I was just saying, man. Oh, no. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it helped you. With every video I produce, my goal is to increase the level of your happiness, health, and wealth. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my Hindi channel and business channel.